Welcome to Dorman Products Split Brake Dust Shield Installation Video. Level of difficulty, moderate. Anticipated procedure time, 45 minutes. Special tools required, a cutoff wheel and 10 snips. With the vehicle securely supported off the ground, remove the wheels. Remove the brake caliper and secure it to the vehicle with a zip tie or bungee so there's no tension on the brake line. Make sure the parking brake is released, then remove the brake rotor from the hub. Release the parking brake cable and remove it from the parking brake mechanism. Remove the bolts that retain the parking brake shoe and position the shoe out of the way. Remove the bolts retaining the mounting plate to the wheel hub. Separate the dust shield from the mounting plate. Mark where you'll need to cut the old dust shield in half, ideally where there's the least amount of material to cut through, such as a bolt hole. Using a cutting wheel, cut through the face of the shield along the marked lines, being careful to avoid contacting other hardware or components with the cutting tool. Use snips to finish cutting through the shield on the back side. Separate the two halves of the shield and remove them from the vehicle. Insert the two pieces that make up the new dust shield. Reinstall the rubber mounting block for the parking brake cable assembly and align the new shield with the correct holes in the mounting plate. Clean any old thread locking material from the original bolts before reinstalling. Failure to do so will result in inaccurate torque readings when tightening the bolts. Apply new thread locking compound to the bolts and reinstall them, securing the new dust shield and backing plate to the axle housing. Torque the bolts according to factory specifications in the proper sequence. Reassemble the parking brake assembly and rear service brakes in the reverse order of removal before reinstalling the wheel.